Check out the hottest and most anticipated ride-on cars from RiiRoo this year. If you're looking for a real head turner, then you really need to check out our latest Lamborghini Huracan Performante ride-on car exclusive model, which comes with many upgraded features. Just wait until your child gets behind the wheel of this beauty. The fact that the styling and the body shape is the exact same as the replica of the real thing means your child can really imagine themselves cruising down the street as if they've already passed their test. It's suitable for children of up to 6 years of age or up to 115 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, functioning horn, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, and a safety belt.
If you haven't subscribed to us yet, help out the channel by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the bell to receive notifications.
Let's take a look at the premium features. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. Padded leather style seats. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. The 3-point safety harness gives you peace of mind that your child is completely safe. The separate light switch allows the lights to be switched on or off at will. The Bluetooth connectivity features allows you to connect a phone or tablet to play music. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.